What's up, everybody? So today we're back with Spencer and Josie, and we're going to be working on his truck once again. Now, previously we had done the LED headlights on your truck.
Yep.
And
the bulbs.
Yep, just the bulbs. And they were pretty bright, but we wanted to upgrade those to some projectors, and here's what we ended up getting. Now, unfortunately, with these headlights, we're not going to be able to run the LEDs that he currently has in the truck. We're going to run the halogens that are in here. We're going to see how they compare, and you may put LEDs just to
I probably will in the end.
see how
Unless
they look.
they're amazing and like I don't need them, but I would like them because I went out and got these. The problem is these are like very spotty.
Yeah, the beam pattern is all over the place.
And so projectors, nice, clean, even, wide look is what I was looking for. But hopefully they work good without LEDs, but I might get them down the road. Yep,
so we're going to go ahead and try to install these today. These are the Spider Auto brand. We've already went through, unboxed them, opened them up, just because we want to see how these were all set up. You can see like it's got the ground wires, the power wires back here, which will show you guys how to hook all that up and install it once we get this all ready to be installed. But everything is here. We got all new plugs, connectors, clips, brackets, all that stuff. So first things first, we just need to go ahead, pull out these headlights and these corner lights. Alright, so you guys just saw we got the headlights out, did all the plugs here. The corner lights are held on by two 5.5 millimeter bolts. You get those out and then the thing just pops out, and you guys saw these two here are just tabs you lift up. So now that everything's off, we're gonna go ahead and come over here to the headlights, and I'm gonna go ahead get them wired up beforehand before we actually install it. So if you look here, all the black wires are ground, the white and reds are power, positive. So we'll wire those up, put on like these male and female connectors to the ends, and then I'll take a wire using this wire here. This is red, we'll use for positive, and I have some black wire here that we'll use for ground. We'll connect it to this plug here, which would have been the side marker light, which is your daytime running. This gray colored wire you guys can see here is the power, and then this black yellow wire is the ground. So we'll be splicing into the power wire here for the power on the headlights to run the halos and LEDs, and then the black yellow wire will be for the ground. So it should all work. Alright, so we got these all wired up. I ended up putting on a couple male connectors here, and then we have a couple females that we'll add to the other end of the wire, which are here, just a couple sections. And then we have these clips that'll connect onto the wire, or the factory wire harness on the truck, which I'll show you guys once we go over there. But now that we have the wiring part done, you guys can see here all the black wires go to here. This is negative. The whites and reds all go to here, which is positive. So that'll run the LEDs on the front here. So to run these three LEDs, the halo rings, and then there's a light up inside here that'll operate as well. So first off, before we actually get this plugged in and operational, we need to go ahead and add in this bracket here, along with these little clips here. There's three, so you got one on top, two on the side here. We'll go ahead, mount this in the factory position of the side marker light, and this will replace the bracket, which I'll take you guys over to the truck now, and we'll go ahead and get this hooked up. So here's the piece I was talking about. It's got these two little clips here. We're going to replace them with these two new clips, just because this is a smaller size than what the headlights come with. And then we'll be able to mount up this bracket here. So this will be able to delete that side marker light that was over here, and it just has a bolt up here that will thread into the headlight just to mount it up. Okay, so now we got that bracket in, that is secure and good. Next up, we're gonna go ahead, peel back some of this plastic covering and access these wires. You guys can see here, you have this gray wire, which we found is the power, and then this black wire with the white stripe on the other side, it was a yellow stripe, is the ground wire. So we're gonna go ahead, splice into these, using these little clips right here. Basically this piece just slides over top of the wire, and then that little piece that we made will set in here. It'll squeeze down and we'll be able to plug the female connector into the male connector of the back of the headlight. Okay, so now we went ahead and got those clipped together. I'm gonna throw some tape on top of those, electrical tape, just to hold them down. That way they don't come undone and they'll stay together. Unfortunately, I just used 2 red wires, but I'm gonna throw some black electrical tape on this one so we know that this is the negative wire, and then just leave this one red so we know it's a positive wire. Okay, so now we got this all taped up, connected, good to go. We can go ahead, pull out this bracket over here. We won't be needing this one anymore. And then we can go ahead, put our headlight in. So we'll just go and connect everything up. So you guys can see there, we just got that screw down there put in, we got this bracket on, and then all we have left to do is install this little bracket. It replaces the one that was over here, and it just snaps on top. Just like that. So now both headlights are in. Let's see if they light up. Ooh, looks good. We got the low beams, go and pop on the high beams.
Yep.
Yep, both of those work. Turn signals. Okay, we got the driver's side, passenger side. Sweet, they're all lit up. Everything's good. Look at the halo rings, they look cool. Got the LED lights on the inside. Got the orange ambers over there. Yeah, this is gonna look sick. So the lights are all done. What do you think, man?
Looks pretty good. I like the halos.
We need to just get these aligned now, but yeah, they look super good. LEDs, halos, low beams, high beams, amber lights. It's got all the bells and whistles of this thing.
Yeah, no, it looks really good.
The only thing I'd be curious, like you had mentioned, LEDs, see what they look like in these, just because that was the main purpose of these headlights, was be able to run the LEDs with the projector lenses and see what the light output was, because using the stock headlights, it was just throwing the light output everywhere. It was kind of scattered. It made it definitely brighter, but it wasn't what you were wanting. So with these, we're gonna need some H1 bulbs. The HB5s weren't the same, so we'll look into that here at a later date, but I think these look awesome. All it's have to do, just get these aligned, but hopefully you're happy with these.
Yeah.
I think they look cool. What does Josie think?
I love them.
Good. So with that, hope you guys like this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.